loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. So happy to have you here. Today we're going to do a Cupshe haul. I've got a few cute swimsuits and a couple cover-ups to show you. Very excited. Thank you so much to Cupshe for partnering with me on this video. They truly do make some of my absolute favorite swimwear, so I'm, as always, excited. We're just going to go ahead and jump in. Please subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any questions about my measurements, my sizing, anything like that, it's all down below in the description box, as well as links to every single one of these items. All right, let's do this. All right, babes, so this is the first swimsuit. By the way, that little bruise on my thigh is from Luna. She loves to put all of her weight on one teeny tiny paw, and she gives me little bruises all over my thighs, so do not mind that. But anyway, this swimsuit, I have been waiting to get my hands on this one for a minute. I feel like this is one of the ones on Cupshe that is like always sold out, and you guys, I can see why. Just the way it fits, it's so comfortable. I feel like it's pretty, like, I don't know, I feel pretty sassy in it. I feel like it makes me look like I actually have a bust, but it's also not too snug on the top. The bottoms are a really good fit. They cover almost all of my high-waisted underoos. I'm gonna tuck in tuck in the cheeks a little bit because it is a little bit more cheeky than my full coverage underwear, which makes sense. It's a swimsuit. Hi, Binksy. So here's what the back looks like. It's actually really cute. It's got a nice little clasp on it and some ruffles. What? Anyway, I really like the ruffles. The straps are adjustable, which I love. I was able to make it a little bit longer so it fits my long torso perfectly, but you can also shorten it, obviously, if you have a shorter torso. I just love the colors. I think it's really fun. And the coverage is really nice. You can see there's like extra stretch. There's a little bit of ruching right here on the sides, which I also enjoy. I just think it's a fun one. It's a fun one. I definitely really like this one. Let's see, let's go ahead and try on this one next, and I'm gonna try on a little cover up with it too. So here's the little suit. We will look at the suit first, and then I gotta figure out how to put this black cover up on. So we've got some high-waisted black bottoms, which look great to me. I love this little flamingo print. I think it's so cute. I'm really excited about this one. They also have this print in a like swim dress. So if the swimsuit is not your fave, I'll go ahead and link the swim dress if it's still available down below in the description box as well, because I love that one. I think that was such a winner. But yeah, let's try them on. All right, loves, here's the next one. How stinking cute is this? I love the top. I think it's so cute. It's got like a little, like the cups and then this little part down here. I don't know, it almost looks like a little bustier top in a way, like a little, I don't know, it's cute. It's cute. I just love this print. And these bottoms are perfect. I love where they hit. They hit a really nice place. They've got really nice coverage. This is what the back looks like. Got a little tie, so you can untie that if you want to adjust it so it fits your body a little bit better. Yeah, I really like this one. It's also really comfy. The last one was a 4X. I should have checked what this one was. They're all 3X or 4X. Whatever the largest size each item comes in is what I got. Some stuff goes up to a 3X, so I'll get a 3X. Some stuff goes to a 4X. I'll get a 4X. So hopefully that's helpful. I always get the largest one. I do like my swimwear a little comfy. Just go by your measurements and what feels right to you. I just would rather have a little extra room than it be too snug. I know some people really want their swimwear like locked and loaded. So I would probably, if you wanted it locked and loaded, I might go down a size. But yeah, I like this. Okay, so I'm gonna try and figure out how to put on this little cover-up dress real quick. I'm gonna check it out. It's from the Tabria Majors collection. There's also a really nice, fun, vibrant one. I'm gonna put that one with this guy, I think. I think it'll be fun. All right, loves, so we have this maxi dress. I just wore it like as a cover-up. I just put it on over this swimsuit, but you can definitely wear this as like a true, real maxi dress. This is the first real clothing item that I have gotten from Cupshe. I've always gotten only swimwear because they mostly have swimwear for plus size. But with this Tabria Majors collection, they did come out with a couple dresses / cover-ups. Very excited. I just saw a couple more when I was looking at the details on this one to make sure I put it on right. I just want to make sure I've got it good. I saw a couple more that I didn't even know were there, so I'm very excited about that. Maybe for our next Cupshe haul, that would be fun to get more clothing. You guys know all about it. But this is so good, you guys. It's so cute. I feel like this little like belt situation, this little wrap part is very adjustable. When I first put it on, it was kind of low, but that's not where my natural waist hit, so I was able to kind of just maneuver it, and it sits perfectly where my natural waist is, which I just feel like looks better on me than like, you know, in a random place. Material is so soft, so stretchy. If you're looking for an affordable, like, long maxi dress, this is perfect. It is off the shoulder, it is one shoulder. This is my swimsuit right here, so it will be one shoulder. Of course, you could just wear it like this if you wanted to, with a swimsuit or a bra. I don't think many people would even notice depending on the straps. But yeah, I love it. I love where the slit hits. I feel like it's high but secure. I feel secure, so I absolutely love this. Next, we're gonna try on this neon orangey pink, beautiful color of a swimsuit. And then after that, we will try on this little like kind of wrap dress cover up thing. Yeah, I'm excited. This is going really well. I mean, Cupshe hauls honestly go pretty well, so let's see how this one goes. All right, loves, here is the next one. And while I love the color, I honestly love so much about this. It does keep wanting to kind of flip over on the top. That's not unusual for me. I got this belly. Stuff like that happens all the time. It is more rare with Cupshe swimsuits. I don't find that very often. So if you have that issue sometimes where like your belly just wants everything to go, my belly wants things to go up, always and forever. Luna Marie, she's turning on and off the air conditioner. Like, see? Just a bend and it flipped, which stinks because I really love the color of this. I could always just wear a different top with the bottoms. I don't know. This one seems to fit a little bit smaller than the other ones. It was a little bit tighter on the top. Not uncomfy tight, but just the length of it doesn't seem to work for my body, which stinks because I really like it. It's super comfy, honestly. Rolled up again. But yeah, I really like it. It just doesn't seem to want to work for my body, which is such a bummer. But if that's not an issue you normally have and you like this guy, go ahead and try it out. I've just got a lot of, I don't know, my belly just loves to do that. That's, again, not unusual at all. Definitely not a just the swimsuit kind of thing. I did turn the bottoms around because the fronts look like they were going to be a little bit less coverage than the other ones, so I turned them around and I really like them this way. I feel like that made them absolutely perfect. You can probably see a little of my undies, but I tried to tuck on this what the back looks like. Yeah, shoot, I wish it didn't roll up, but it's very cute. Next we're gonna try this hot like lime yellow number. Very excited about this. I'm ready to look sassy, so I'll pop this on and we'll see how it goes. All right, loves, here is the last item. I definitely don't feel like, for me personally, this could be an actual dress. As you can see, my hoo-ha. You know? I would say this runs a little bit small because this should be a 3X, which is the biggest size that it comes in, and everything else in the largest sizes usually fits me great. I don't know. Maybe I just have more belly than they accounted for, but I do think this runs a little bit smaller. I definitely feel like the black dress was much more forgiving, a much larger size. This one doesn't have any stretch. That one did, which stinks because I really like this. I think it's super cute, but I would definitely wear this as a cover-up. So even though it's not, I feel like it's marketed as a dress, but I feel like it's definitely for me more of a cover-up because, again, it doesn't cover all my bits and pieces, so I can't really wear it functionally as a dress, but it is very cute. I like the bright color of it. I think it's perfect for a cover-up, though, obviously. The back of my hair is probably a mess, so don't judge me. But yeah, she's cute. But this color, you guys, oh, I wish I would have had this earlier in the summer because it's just so bright, and I'm getting into fall mode. But we can still wear neons in fall. Wear whatever you want, whenever you want. But yeah, so this is the little wrap dress. It's got the little tie right here. You take this one, it's longer, and you pull it all the way through. There's a little hole right here, and you just wrap it around, and you can tie this one. Luna thinks that these little straps are for her, and she wants to come and grab them. All right, love, so that is everything for this Cupshe haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you enjoyed seeing a little bit more fashion within the swimsuits. Of course, I can't control what Cupshe gets, but I was excited to see more plus size fashion because I do know that they do have some straight size fashion, and I think up to a size 18 in some of their fashion on their website. So it's not just swimwear, but of course I am like right at that cusp. I'm usually a size 20 or 22, so I haven't really ventured into any of that yet because I'm just assuming it's not going to fit me, but I was excited excited to see a little bit of fashion with the Debris Majors collection. Very cute. So yeah, I think that's it. If you guys enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. If you made it to the end, leave a little swimsuit emoji so I know. And I think that's it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you to Cupshe for partnering with me on this video. I do greatly appreciate it, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye! This is literally the first swimsuit. The first swimsuit, and there's already a baby demanding attention. He was just asleep, but he's like, Mom's talking, must be to me. I gotta look at the pictures. You know when something's like one-shouldered, it like comes in the bag and you're like, what? This made sense. But anyway, I think it'll be fun. Although it could be cute to have the yellow with this. That could be cute. I'm gonna stick with my original plan. Be right back. Cats are being bad. What's new? Hey, that's my leg. Don't scratch my leg. Don't scratch Mom's leg. All 3 cats are in here and they're being crazy. Hello. Hi. I love you. I love you.